Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. So click on here to open up your phone settings. The next thing you need to do is to click on your profile. The next thing you need to do is to proceed with account security. So the next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you click on version update. So right here, as at the time of making this video, the version of this particular phone is up to date. However, I'm going to enable this auto update right here. Once you enable auto update, each time there is any update version of your Android phone, especially of your Android phone, it will automatically up to date, and you are going to enjoy best performance of your Infinix Android phone. For more tutorial about how best to use your Infinix phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.